Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Jira for bug to growth feedback loops step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the project for which you'd like to set up bug to growth feedback loops. Click on the project settings in the left-hand menu. Select the integrations option from the settings list. Within the integrations section, find and select API tokens. Click on Create API Token to generate a new token. Give your API token a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Click Create to generate the token. Make sure to copy the token immediately, as you won't be able to view it again. Next, go to your feedback loop tool or application where you'll be integrating Jira. Locate the section where you can add or authenticate integrations. Choose the Jira integration option available. Paste the API token you copied earlier into the appropriate field. Fill in any additional required fields, such as your Jira site URL and email address. Make sure to select the correct project and permissions needed for the integration. Click on the Authenticate or Connect button to finalize the integration. Test the integration by creating a sample feedback loop entry. Ensure that the entry appears correctly in your Jira project. Monitor the integration for any connectivity issues or errors. Regularly review your Jira settings to maintain smooth operation of your feedback loops. This step-by-step authentication setup will streamline your bug-to-growth feedback process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.